Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in again, guys. If you're looking for reasons why your home isn't selling, then this video is for you. If this is your first time tuning into my YouTube channel, welcome. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so definitely hit that subscribe button down below if you're interested in learning more about real estate. Now to jump into this video. I know you're probably super frustrated. Why isn't my home selling? It's a perfect home. Why don't buyers like it? And the number one reason that I have is your price that you listed your home for. You have to understand now that buyers are so tech savvy that an overpriced home is way easier to spot than back in the day. You have all these online evaluation models that buyers use, like the Zestimate, which you know I'm against if you watch my previous video. And buyers trust these websites, and also they look at comps online. Because of this, you will not trick any home buyers out there anymore. That's why using a trusted representative to sell your property and coming up with the correct price day one is very, very important. So great, maybe you've assessed your price and maybe you realize that your price is correct and your broker has verified this. Well, the next thing to look at is your photos online. Professional photography for online photos is a must. And with technology now, your first impression isn't that first showing. Your first impression for a home seller is for online photography. Photos shouldn't only show the best attributes about your property, but it should leave the buyer wanting more. And this is what's gonna make them schedule a showing, ultimately coming to your house and submitting an offer to purchase your property. Plain and simple, if you do your photography correct, it's gonna leave the buyer wanting more, and you're gonna see more showings, and ultimately the result that you want at the end of the day, getting your property sold. All right, so you've checked the price, you checked your photos, now what? My last one is the broker representing your property. Now, plain and simple, your broker might not have enough experience. They might not have the budget to market your property correctly. So these are all questions you need to ask your broker when you're interviewing people to represent your sale of your property. With my experience, the difference between a great broker and just an average broker is that the great broker will know how to get you premium pricing. And premium pricing is above market price. So if you list your house for $600,000, they know how to bring in multiple offers and push that price up for you as the home seller. So there you have it. That's my 3 reasons to why your home isn't selling. Hopefully that will help you guys. Stay tuned for future videos. And like I said, comment below if you like this video, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.